Splash Lagoon number 2. Yeah, so Paultons got an exclusive behind the scenes thing. So I don't know what ride I'm going to look at. Oh, do I do Storm Chaser? Everyone's going to cover Storm Chaser. Or do I do Velociraptor? Do I do Cobra? Oh, which one do I look at? But yeah, they're going to explain what's going on in the future as well. Leave me to enjoy the ride. Hi. I love this dinosaur. His head was down earlier when I was on it earlier and it came up. This is so good. Got a bit wet. Not supposed to get wet. Yeah, enjoy that. So I can go over with Jackson over to Storm Chaser. Get him a couple of rides on that. He absolutely loves Storm Chaser. Second only to Megaphobia. How good was it? I got absolutely soaked. Do you know, that was actually really wet.